Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and the Facebook advertising question I've got for you today is, how can you use Facebook ads to get speaking gigs? This is a question that someone asked on my Facebook ads mastermind group, and it's an interesting one, not one that I've thought about before. The challenge with using Facebook advertising to get speaking gigs is that in order to get speaking gigs, you're going to have to get yourself and advertise to a very specific group of people. You're going to have to get yourself in front of the decision makers when it comes to arranging speakers for a particular event. Now, one of the ways I think you might be able to do that is if you were to create an ad campaign that targets people that are interested in a company that holds an event that you want to speak at. Let's say there's a specific event coming up, there's a company that you know host it. If you target the people that are interested in that company, that like that page, obviously a lot of those people are not going to have anything to do with the event, but there are within that group going to be some decision makers that probably are going to decide who's going to speak at the event, going to be involved with the company, and those sorts of things. And those are the people that you want to reach. So that's how I think you can go about targeting the decision makers that can get you speaking gigs. Now, the other side of it is the ad creative. And I think the best way to approach this would be to create a video ad that's effectively a montage of your previous speaking events that demonstrates that you're a good speaker, that you know what you're doing, that you can hold people's attention, entertain, basically demonstrates your skill and expertise as a speaker. And if people see that pop up on their Facebook newsfeed, they're thinking, who are we going to get for this particular event, and you pop up, that could be a perfect way to go about doing it and to get those events. Something that I'd be really interested for people to test. If you do test this, please let me know how it goes on. Leave a comment in the comment section below, whether it worked, whether it didn't, how much you spent, all that sort of stuff. Be really appreciated. Hopefully that's been useful. Hopefully you can use it to go and get lots of speaking gigs that can do fantastic things for your business. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.